welcome to Cooking with LYNQ. Today we are going to be making a chia pudding with matcha. So matcha is very strong, so we're only going to put about 1 teaspoon of the matcha inside. This is a great antioxidant, so it's good to help with your immune system. Matcha also keeps your energy levels high without the same type of crash as with coffee. So it's a sustained energy throughout your day. So you mix it very well. I'm just going to add about a teaspoon worth of maple syrup just to make it sweet because the matcha itself is not sweet at all. And anytime you're making a chia pudding, you want to mix it well and then let it sit a little bit so that the chia seeds go down to the bottom, and then you remix it again before refrigerating. Here it is. It's been a couple of hours now sitting in the fridge. And normally I like to decorate my chia pudding with all sorts of stuff on top, but when it comes to the matcha, I feel like this is good enough eaten all by itself. So here we go. It's good. A little bit strong, but it's a very good matcha chia pudding. Please like and subscribe and share our videos and try it out. Test out this recipe and let us know how you like it.